Hey guys, it's Mary. Today I received the last of the auto ships for the Diamond Press Slimline Shadow Box dies. And there have been quite a few of them. I think there's been, what, 2, 4... Seems like there's maybe been 8 or 10. I don't remember. But this is the very last one. And it's an interesting one because they call it Sympathy Outdoor/Nature, which covers a bunch of topics. But it's actually one that I've been looking forward to because I just thought it was so pretty. So let's get it open and take a look at it. Maybe. Almost. Some of these open so easy, and some of these open all right. Well, I won the battle. All right. So let's take a look at everything that this comes with. This is the one that has 3 little windows, and each one, the windows were a different shape and a different style. So let's get this all out. Comes with a Slimline folder. And Sympathy Outdoor is what it's called. So this has got a, not a hexagon, a hexagon? Yeah, because an octagon is 8 sides. Got trees. And it looks like we've got some words here, so let's take a look. It gives you the instructions for doing the shadow box part, which are basically all the same, except, like I said, they've got different windows. And then it tells you to die cut 2 or 3 mountain pieces. And the mountains have snow caps, or you can do it without the snow caps. And then it continues. It shows you how to close it up after you've put your mountains in. Put the front on, and then adding your embellishments. So this one's got the flowers with the mountains and the sun. It says wildly grateful. This one's got the trees. This is the one I really liked. The trees with the lake, and a moose and the deer, and the night sky. So we've got the mountain, the stream, the snow caps. We've got trees, we've got sun, we've got the sun rays, flowers, the die, stamp, clouds. Then we've got flower, the dies for flowers, and stamps. And then we've got a moon, stars, thinking of you. That's the die. And then the stamps say, thinking of you, peace and comfort, just because, widely grateful, sending you strength. The adventure continues, keep your head up. You'll get through this, wishing you healing. Little branch here of little flowers. So let's take a look at the stamps. So this is the sun rays, peace and comfort. You'll get through this, wishing healing, thinking of you. There's some flowers, the little moose, the clouds, just because. And then this one's got the snow caps for the mountains, the deer, the little trees, the flowers, the sprig, the rays, little tiny flowers, leaf. This says, keep your head up, sending you strength, and wildly grateful. So those are peace and comfort. Those are totally different than anything they've had before. I really like the idea of the snow cap, mountains, and the trees. These trees are really pretty. So these trees are the ones that they used on the outside here. Those are the trees that they used out here on the outside. And then the stamp trees over here on the inside, along with the mountains and the deer and the moose. So depending on what you did with it, I mean, it really could be, you know, it's made for sympathy and for just outdoors. So, I really like it. I think it's going to turn out real pretty. Real pretty. So, I enjoyed getting all of them. I haven't used many, but now I can, and they mix and match, kind of like the original dies that came when you bought the original marquee, and it came with the dies that had a little frame, and the frames were interchangeable. So these are interchangeable too. So, oh, there's little flowers here I just noticed, and the little moon. So this is a good one. I like. So that's it. Slimline Shadow Box Final Auto Ship Sympathy Outdoor. So let me know if you've gotten all the auto ships and what you thought about them, and have you used many of them. You know, it's so easy to, with the, especially with the auto ships, that, you know, they come every other month, and then you're busy, and then you don't get to use them, and then the next one comes before you've used the other one. So I am guilty of that many times over. So let me know in the comments if you've gotten them all and how you like them. So, all right, so that's it for this time. Thank you so much for spending the time to watch. I appreciate it. Thank you if you're a subscriber. If you're thinking about subscribing, you can hit that subscribe button, and the bell will give you notifications when there's a new video to watch, if you would like to do that. So that's it. Until the next time, stay safe, stay well, happy crafting, and thanks again for watching. Bye-bye.